General Skills, exercise 15. The sum of three successive even numbers is 462. Which numbers are they? Successive means that they come after each other, right after each other, but they all have to be even. So, for instance, 4, 6, and 8 are successive even numbers, while 3, 5, and 7 are odd successive numbers. So in this case we're searching for even numbers. Well, let's call the first number in this row of numbers the number x. Then our second number will be x plus 2, because the next number has to be even again. And the number after that will be x with another 2 added to it. So x plus 4. Now we have three successive numbers that are, well, we don't know yet if they are even, but they are successive. And we know that the sum of them is equal to 462. So if we have x plus 2 plus x plus 4, the sum will be 462. Well, if we clean this up and adding the like terms, we have here 3 times x and 2 plus 4, so plus 6. And that's equal to 462. If we subtract 6 at the left hand side, we can do the same at the right hand side. And then we have 3x is 456. Next, if we want to know x, we can divide by 3, because 3x divided by 3 is x. So when we do that, we should do the same at the right hand side. And if we divide 456 by 3, we get 152. So that would be the x. It is an even number, so it does meet that condition that it has to be even. So they're asking for all the three numbers. So which numbers are they? So the first one to start with is 152, then 154, and the last one 156. If we add them up, let's check. Indeed, we will find 462.